Hi everyone, this is Tech Ken here. Do you need to make a video on your iPad and then send it to your teacher using Google Classroom? Well, let's find out how to do that right now. Sometimes a teacher will want you to make a video and send it. Here's how you do that. On an iPad, what you can do is go to the camera on the bottom or wherever it is, go to the camera app. Here's photo, here's my sock. I'm gonna use my sock. We're gonna change this to video. You'll know you have video when video is highlighted on the bottom right corner here. It says video, and see you got a red circle now on the side. If this was in photo, it's white. All these other ones, it's white, 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 white. Slow-mo is different. So anyway, you need it to say video and it's red. Then you press the red button and see how the red circle turned into like get ready to stop button. You press that when you're done. You'll know your video is working if at the very top of the screen, see where it has numbers moving. That's how long your video is. Also on the left side is this little yellow circle with a line. That's to zoom in and out. See when I move that yellow dot, it zooms in closer and out farther. So let me film this. Hey, what's up? I'm a sock, everybody. Look out for socks, I guess. Okay, my video's done. I'm gonna press stop. And now, below it, you see this little square. Below the red circle, there's a square. That's my video. I'm watching it, and I'm like, I can't hear anything. And that's because at the top, near this, next to the garbage can, if you press the garbage can, it will throw your video in the garbage. You do not want that. But next to the garbage can, you'll see a speaker with a note, like a line through it. If you press that line, then you can hear it. So let me film this. I could pause it. Okay. Anyway, that's there. Another way of like, where did my video go? It's in your photos. I'm going to press photos at the bottom. And look, it's the last one all the way at the bottom. Pick it. And then the sounds just go into like garbage can. Anyway, so I made the video, but now I have to send it on Google Classroom. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom. And she wants me to send it. So I'm going to press this arrow at the bottom. For my work, I'm going to add an attachment. So I'm going to press plus. Where is it coming from? It's coming from pick photo. See pick photo? It's got this little picture of a mountain next to it. Press pick photo. And now here are all the photos. I'll press all photos. I'll press the one I want. Now I'll press use in the top corner. Oh, I see it's loading it at the bottom. See that blue line moving on the bottom? It's loading it. Compressing means it's smushing it down so it could load it. Do it, do it. Oh, snap. Now's a good time to sing a song. Ready? You sing. Go. Some people are not singing. Okay. Did it work? Yes. It's there in red. Don't press the X, or it's going to throw it out. But if you press the red symbol, it'll open it. See, it says processing. Processing thing means it's like uploading. It's taking a while to make it work. It will work though, so don't worry about that. But it might take a bunch of minutes. It could even take 10 minutes. Okay, so now it's done, and it's done processing. So I can turn it in. I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to click the X at the top left corner.
It's there, it's in red. Don't press the X because I'll throw it away. Just press turn in.
Turn in, yes. Turn in. And then I'll press the down button at the top of the screen. And it says at the bottom here, turned in. Awesome. Tune in next time for more.